In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts into Smartsheet. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can easily download your Smartsheet contacts and use them wherever you need. Make sure you're already logged into your Smartsheet account before we begin and that you're on any sheet or in the main Smartsheet interface. The exact sheet you're viewing doesn't matter for this process because we'll be using the account menu rather than anything within a specific sheet. First, look to the bottom right corner of your Smartsheet window. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your settings, this might be your initials, a generic avatar, or a profile picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small account menu with several options related to your personal settings and preferences. From this menu, you'll see an item called My Smartsheet Contacts. This is where Smartsheet stores the contacts you use for sharing sheets, sending notifications, and collaborating with others. Click on My Smartsheet Contacts to open the contacts window. It may take a moment to load if you have a lot of contacts, so just wait for the list to appear. Once the contacts window is open, you should see a list of all the people you've added as contacts in your Smartsheet account, usually showing their names and email addresses. At the top or within the options of this window, you'll find an option labeled Export Contacts. This is the key action we're looking for. Click on Export Contacts. After you click, Smartsheet will begin preparing a file that contains your contact information. In most cases, this will download automatically to your computer, typically as a CSV file. A CSV file, or comma-separated values file, is a simple, widely supported format that you can open in spreadsheet programs like Excel, Google Sheets, or even import into other contact management tools. Once the file has finished downloading, check your browser's downloads bar or your default downloads folder to confirm it's there. You can rename the file and move it to a safe location so you can find it easily later. From there, you're free to open it, review your data, or import it into another system, depending on what you need. And that's it. By clicking your profile icon, opening My Smartsheet Contacts, and using the Export Contacts option, you can quickly pull all your Smartsheet contacts into a single reusable file.